one of the area lakes that we enjoy walking down to in the mornings. Okay guys, my 17-year-old daughter Riley came up for the weekend, so I didn't get a whole lot done on the cabin. And Barb and Jerome came over on Saturday and gave me a hand for a bit with their new camera and wanted to see if there was a big difference in quality. So if anyone can tell me in the comments if they could tell the difference, it'd be appreciated. And on top of that, over the weekend here, I broke 5,000 on the subscriber count. And I want to tell everyone how much I appreciate that for all you guys sticking around and watching these videos. I think what I'm going to do is cut out both windows and I'll be able to run my planks across here to get up into the area up here where I need to. So, bear with me, I'll cut out that next window. There you go guys, I got them upper windows cut out. Even though I won't be able to pick them up for a couple, 3 weeks. 2-foot platform there, it should be fine. Okay guys, I gotta tell you, after getting this first one figured out and trying to get everything in its place, I don't think I would ever suggest doing this by yourself. Pieces dropping non-stop, lots of editing on this one. Every time you get it where you think you need it, you drop it or something falls or... The battery's gonna die next. But anyhow, this is what we're trying to do. Get everything in a plane so that everything comes out when we're putting our tongue and groove up. And that looks nice. That's much better. Let's see how this one plans, because it looks like it might be a hair short. No, not really. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. So then when I gotta get backer up on that gable end too, and when we insulate this, and I start doing my tongue and groove for the ceilings here, the piece will run straight across, finish off here at that, just into that edge, and then the stuff coming this way will plane into that. maybe you can understand a little better now what I was trying to explain earlier. Well, that feels good too. Ladder against my planks, and the planks are going.
You're 29.
Yeah. Yeehaw. Well, for one thing, I didn't have this in here originally.
Well, this ladder can't slide out on you. The wall's there.
Yeah, thanks, Jerome.
Move them rocks.
Yeah, we'll move them rocks over there and make a circular pit. Maybe there's a big down cedar back there. Should take the chainsaw, rip it in half, and make benches out of it. Provided I can even get it out of there, because it's about this big around.
And it's gonna be wet and heavy. Doesn't sound like a good plan.
There's that big pine that went down too, right up here. That last windstorm. You can shut that off now. Okay, this one came out pretty close. Even.
Now,
Well, that was totally horrible. That would have been so much easier to do with the scaffolding up. Next time.
You do it right, there'll never be a next time.
Well, they probably will be. You can see another cabin over there, sauna down there. Workshop, of course. Can always tell when Jerome's here, in case the empties are left.
There you go.
My daughter Riley came to visit me last night. I haven't seen her for a few weeks again. So that was kind of nice. Only kind of, though. One of the area lakes that we enjoy walking down to in the mornings. And here comes my 17-year-old tearing up the property. What's up, guys? Huh? What's up? You getting used to me being out here now? Huh? You know you're eating all that rabbit food.